Good afternoon, student of class 9th. Today we want to discuss the lesson number 2nd, the sound of the music, the part number 2nd. We have discussed the first part. Today we want to discuss the second part. What is the title of the second part? The Sehnai of Bismillah Khan. First of all, do you want to know Bharat Ratna Bismillah Khan, who got the highest civilian award Bharat Ratna in 2001. He is very much famous music player. He is very much popular Sehnai player. Just before reading the chapter, we want to discuss about the origin of the Sehnai and the life profile of great maestro Mr. Bismillah Khan, Ustad Bismillah Khan, the famous Sehnai player of the India. Dear students, Pungi was a musical instrument. It was played at the time of the religious occasions, the domestic occasions. Its sound was shrill. Shrill means unpleasant. उसकी sound बहुत ही unpleasant थी. It was banned by the Aurangzeb, then emperor, then king. तत्कालीन महाराजा औरंगजेब के द्वारा इसको बैन कर दिया गया था. Later it was transformed into a Sehnai. अब now the question rises, अब सवाल ये उठता है कि Sehnai का ओरिजिन कैसे हुआ, Sehnai की उत्पत्ति कैसे हुई. Students, origin of the Sehnai and life of Bismillah Khan. It was played by a barber in the chamber of a emperor, chamber of a शाह. शाह के चैम्बर में, शाह के ऑफिस में, शाह के दरबार में एक बार्बर मीन नाई के द्वारा द म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट वाज प्लेड एंड परफेक्टेड. इट वाज परफेक्टेड बाय ए नाई, बट इट वाज प्लेड इन द कोर्ट ऑफ द शाह. शाह मीन किंग, नाई मीन बार्बर, सहनाई. सो it was named Sehnai. Students, Bismillah Khan, Ustad Bismillah Khan belonged to the Banaras Gharana. At the age of the 6, he moved to the Benares and he used to play Sehnai at the bank of holy river Ganga. And he got the education of the Sehnai from his uncle Ali Baksh and his father Pegambar and Ustad Fayaz Khan. These were the teachers, these were the mentors, these were the gurus of great Bismillah Khan. Dear students, Bismillah Khan got the honor and the reward at the national and international level. First, he performed in Afghanistan, then USA and then Canada. He was the great international Sehnai player. And dear students, he got the highest civilian award Bharat Ratna in 2001. Then he got Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan and several international awards he was honored and awarded. In 1930, 1930 में he was declared the best performer. 1937 में he got the 3 medals, and 1947 when India got freedom, he was invited by then Prime Minister Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. पंडित नेहरू ने 1947 में इनवाइट किया उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान को परफॉर्म करने के लिए रेड फोर्ट इन दिल्ली. दिल्ली के लाल किला में बिस्मिल्लाह खान ने बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस दी एंड ही वाज एप्रिशिएटेड बाय द ऑडियंस एंड बाय देन प्राइम मिनिस्टर पंडित नेहरू. In 1947, he performed Rag Kafi. Rag Kafi was performed by the musical tunnel of the Sehnai at the Red Fort of India. Dear students, I want to discuss about the birthplace of a great Sehnai player Bismillah Khan. He was born in 1916 at the Dumrao, Bihar, and he was very much dedicated. He was a great lover of the music. He was a nationalist with the core of the heart. यानी कि दिल से एक बहुत ही राष्ट्रवादी था और म्यूजिक से बहुत प्यार करता था. For him, फॉर बिस्मिल्लाह खान म्यूजिक इज गॉड, संगीत भगवान है, और म्यूजिक इज सोल, और म्यूजिक आत्मा है। यानी कि उसने संगीत को आत्मा और भगवान में देखता था, संगीत में भगवान देखता था और अपनी आत्मा मानता था संगीत को। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आई विल provide you the textual question related to this part second, and I hope that you have understood, you have listened very carefully about the life profile of the great Bismillah Khan, who has been awarded with the Bharat Ratna, and he will be immortal as long as the music will be immortal. The name of Bismillah Khans will be honored. Thank you students, thank you.